Hello and welcome to a video on supplementary and complementary angles. Today we're going to start with supplementary angles. Supplementary angles are angles that together add up to 180 degrees. So if we're looking at these two angles here, while they are adjacent, you'll see down here because they share a ray, which is from the previous video, you'll also see that when you add these two together, they would add up to 180, making them supplementary angles. Over here, same thing. These two are not adjacent because they're not sharing a ray or a side, but if you add them up, 140 plus 40, it does give you 180, making them supplementary angles. So supplementary angles are two angles that added together are going to equal 180 degrees. They do not have to be connected, but they can be connected. Complementary angles are two angles that when you add those together, they equal 90 degrees. So here I have a 30 degree and a 60 degree, that equals 90. These are also adjacent because they're sharing this ray here in the middle. Here we have two separate angles, but when we add those together, we get 90 degrees. Because they are separate, they are not adjacent, but they are complementary angles. Alrighty, so what I want you to do here is pause for a moment and see if you can identify what type of angle relationship you see here. The first thing hopefully that you do is add those two together. When you add those two together, 120 plus 60 should give you 180 degrees. I remember supplementary as straight, supplementary S, straight S, and I know a straight angle is 180 degrees. That's how I remember supplementary. And then complementary, I'll tell you when we get to that. So I just gave away the answer here, which would be supplementary angles. The next one, if we add these together, we have a 30 degree angle and a 60 degree angle. 30 plus 60 is 90. That to me is a right angle. Right angles are corners, which starts with a C. Complementary starts with C. And that's how I remember complementary angles are 90 degrees. So this answer would be complementary. Here's another one for you, 135 and 45. These are adjacent angles because they are sharing a ray here, but when we add them up, we should get 180, making them supplementary angles. Here's another one. I automatically see here that this makes up a corner. However, for safety, I think it's important you go ahead and add those up. That would give you 90 degrees, making those complementary angles. All right, this time what I want you to do is tell me what the missing angle is. So if I'm looking here, I see that I have a straight line. A straight line is 180 degrees. I know one of my angles is 45 degrees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eliminate that angle that I know from my total. So I'm going to do 180 minus 45. When I do that, it's going to give me my missing angle, which in this case is 135 degrees. All right, here I see I have corner angles. I know that's 90 degrees. I know one of my angles is 65. I'm going to take and do 90 minus 65, which is going to give me my missing angle of 25 degrees. All right, here's another one. You'll notice this is a straight angle going up and down. That's 180 degrees, even though it looks a little different because it's vertical. Again, I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the 50. So 180 minus 50 gives me 130. All right. Thanks for watching and have a great day.